Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add CodePen into your WordPress post or page. So what we will do is we will basically pick one of the pane on CodePen, and as you can see, this is basically a task management UI that they have created, and I want to simply put in this in our WordPress page. So what I'll do is I'll click on the embed button at the bottom, which should open some options for me, what to embed and what to show as result. Okay, so here you see you can choose the theme. Okay, and if we check theme for, let's say, dark or light, we have those options as well. So let's go with default for now. Okay, I can resize this in the way I want. Similarly, I can also look for code that I can add. So by default I can use HTML or even iframe. So let's go with the iframe and simply select all, copy. Okay, and then come to WordPress dashboard, then go to page where I wish to add that, and I want to edit one page where I wish to include this CodePen pane. Okay, so that pane needs to be added through HTML module in Beaver Builder. Okay, so we have to edit our page in Beaver Builder. Okay, so let's launch Beaver Builder, leave. Okay, so let's drag and drop this module HTML into the page. Now that should open one HTML editor. Simply paste your iframe into that, and I can choose the height. Let's go with 440. Okay, and as you can see, now height is a bit better. If I hide this sidebar and make this full screen, then the code would be much clearer and visible too. Okay, now once I save this, it should be visible a lot clearer too, and I can click on done and publish to finalize my changes. Okay, so what we have done is we simply clicked on embed button, then choose iframe. That iframe code is basically HTML, but it loads a lot quicker with just a few amount of lines. Okay, you can also choose WordPress shortcode if you have the plugin installed for CodePen, or you can use prefill embed, but much better method is using iframe with HTML module in Beaver Builder.